The board of directors of the multinational Tata Steel Company met in Mumbai to decide the fate of their loss-making steel plants in the UK. This will evidently put the jobs of thousands of workers at risk. According to local media reports, the UK union leaders had earlier held talks with the company representatives as thousands of jobs of the UK steel workers are at stake. Press Trust of Indian News Agency reported that the board has to decide if it will continue to invest in the loss-making plant at Port Talbot and back its turnaround plan. Tata blames cheap imports, high energy costs and weak demand for threatening the future of its UK steelmaking. Tata said these talks would continue as it had been in deep engagement with the government about seeking its support to achieve the best possible outcome for the UK business.